Welcome to the land where powerful peaks meet serene valleys, where precision is not just a habit but a way of life. Yes, you've guessed it right, we're diving into the heart of Europe, into the beauty of Switzerland. Imagine crisp, alpine air filling your lungs as you hike up rugged paths, snow crunching under your boots. You've reached the summit, and you're rewarded with a panorama that steals your breath away, making every step worth the effort. Now, transport yourself to the buzzing streets of Zurich, the global center for banking and finance. Here, modernity blends seamlessly with tradition. You can almost hear the rhythmic ticking of Swiss watches, a testament to the country's unmatched craftsmanship. But Switzerland isn't just about mountains and watches, it's a gourmet's paradise. Picture yourself biting into a piece of creamy Swiss chocolate, or cutting into a wheel of nutty Gruyere cheese. Divine. So whether you're an adventurer seeking thrills or a connoisseur of the finer things in life, Switzerland has something for everyone. It's not just a country, it's an experience, a feeling that stays with you long after you've left its borders. And that, my friends, is the magic of Switzerland. Stay tuned for more such journeys around the globe.